Which of the following is not part of an internal combustion engine? A. Piston ring. B. Connecting rod. C. Clutch. D. Cylinder head. The International System Unit of Force is which of the following? A. Newton. B. Joule. C. Watt. D. Dyne. Verbose most nearly means A. Long-winded. B. Cruel. C. Voracious. D. Vile. Compendious most nearly means A. Equivocal. B. Frangible. C. Propitiative. D. Laconic. What type of hammer is best for shaping metal? A. Claw hammer. B. Club hammer. C. Joiner's mallet. D. Ball-peen hammer. What is the advantage of a single pulley? A. It allows you to lift something with less force. B. It changes the direction of the effort. C. It diminishes the effects of gravity. D. It decreases the chances of injury. Moderated by the voltage regulator, system voltage during regular car operation is around A. 10 volts. B. 15 volts. C. 20 volts. D. 25 volts. How does an increase in pressure affect the coolant's boiling point? A. Decreases it. B. Increases it. C. Does not affect it. D. Any change in pressure triggers boiling. Which of the following is not a blood type? A. AB. B. A. C. O. D. X. The employee was proud of her unblemished reputation. A. Impaired. B. Flawless. C. Sporadic. D. Unorthodox. A spindle, sleeve, and thimble are all components of what tool? A. Pop rivet. B. Stick welder. C. Outside micrometer. D. MIG welding gun. Which of the following describes the relationship between kinetic energy, mass, and velocity? A. Ke equals half a square meter v. B equals mv2. C. 2 equals mv2. D. 3 equals m2v. What is the voltage in a circuit with 10 amps of current and 6 ohms of resistance? A. 0.6. B. 1.7. C. 60. D. 600. In a four-stroke engine, which of the following is not one of the four strokes? A. Intake. B. Compression. C. Outtake. D. Exhaust. The vociferous student was pleased by the good debate score. A. Loath. B. Vehement. C. Lanky. D. Colossal. A wrench is used to apply what to a fastener? A. Torque. B. Inertia. C. Tension. D. Spring. What is a component of potential energy? A. Upward reactive force. B. The energy of movement. C. Gravity's relationship to mass. D. Newtons and distance. The amount of energy used by a consumer in their home or business is typically measured in A. Current. B. Amps. C. Voltage. D. Kilowatt hours. Automatic transmissions transmit engine torque to the transmission via A. Torque case. B. Torque axle. C. Torque shaft. D. Torque converter. The law of conservation of energy can be restated as which of the following? A. The total energy of a system always diminishes. B. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only changed. C. The sum of all of the forces is equivalent to the amount of energy in a system. D. Mechanical and potential energy share an inverse relationship. The prolific author had many books published. A. Notorious. B. Acclaimed. C. Profuse. D. Fecundate. What tool is used to make indentations that serve as marks for drilling operations? A. Crosscut punch. B. Brass drift. C. Cold chisel. D. Center punch. If a man uses 200 N of force over a distance of 50 meters, how many joules of work are performed? A. 1,000. B. 5,000. C. 10,000. D. 20,000. Which of the following is the SI unit representing 1 cycle per second? A. Ohm. B. Frequency. C. Ampere. D. Hertz. If one complete revolution of the steering wheel causes the wheels to turn 20 degrees, what is the steering ratio? A. 12:1. B. 15:1. C. 18:1. D. 20:1. How many grams are in 1 kilogram? A. 10. B. 100. C. 1,000. D. 10,000. A. Vivid. B. Dull. C. Crooked. D. Shy. What type of nut uses a cotter pin? A. Wing nut. B. Retaining nut. C. Lock nut. D. Castellated nut. One horsepower is equivalent to A. 724 watts. B. 746 watts. C. 768 watts. D. 782 watts. Which of these electrical devices can be used to store an electric charge? A. Semiconductor. B. Diode. C. Capacitor. D. Transistor. The brake caliper is an assembly that houses the A. Drum brakes. B. Brake shoes. C. Brake boosters. D. Brake pads and pistons. These subatomic particles have a positive electric charge. A. Neutrons. B. Protons. C. Electrons. D. Atoms. I approached the snarling dog with much trepidation. A. Bravery. B. Caution. C. Excitement. D. Recklessness. Boisterous most nearly means A. Unflagging. B. Steadfast. C. Ramshackle. D. Clamorous. You need to make a cut straight across a small cable. Which type of plier best fits your needs? A. Slip joint. B. Vice grip. C. Channel lock. D. Diagonal. Brake systems are hydraulically operated, meaning that they are operated by A. Heat. B. Fluid. C. Electricity. D. Magnetism. At minimum, how many pulleys are there in a block and tackle system? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Which of the following is the most conductive element? A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Aluminium. D. Copper. Drill bits can be loosened and tightened using A. Bit. B. Flux. C. Chuck key. D. Bender head. Which layer of the atmosphere is closest to the Earth? A. Mesosphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Troposphere. D. Thermosphere. Rhyme most nearly means A. Droll. B. Sedulous. C. Obstreperous. D. ardent. Where is oil held when it isn't lubricating the system? A. The oil pan. B. The oil filter. C. The oil pump. D. The oil gallery. What is a vector quantity? A. Gravity. B. Magnitude. C. Volume. D. Mass. The resistor color code for 2 is A. Black. B. Brown. C. Red. D. Orange. Welders using the electric arc welding method wear face shields to protect themselves from A. Gamma radiation. B. Ultraviolet radiation. C. X-ray radiation. D. Microwave radiation. Mitosis is the process by which A. Eukaryotic cells degrade. B. Energy is liberated. C. Somatic cells replicate. D. ATP is produced. Abundant most nearly means A. Punctual. B. Flowing. C. Futile. D. Ample. The air-fuel mixture is determined by your car's A. ECM. B. Fuel filter. C. Carburetor. D. Fuel injector. Which of the following is the basis for Pascal's law? A. The amplification of force in a hydraulic system. B. The relationship between force and volume of a liquid. C. The definition of pressure as pounds per square inch. D. The manner in which liquids conform to their container. Electrical power can be calculated with the following formula: P equals I x V. What does the letter I represent in this formula? A. Watts. B. Voltage. C. Current. D. Impedance. The 4 strokes of a 4-stroke engine cycle are A. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. B. Intake, power, compression, exhaust. C. Intake, exhaust, compression, power. D. Intake, compression, exhaust, power. Bile is produced by the A. Pancreas. B. Stomach. C. Liver. D. Kidneys. The credible witness took the stand in the trial. A. Suspicious. B. Relevant. C. Plausible. D. Lying. Which of these saws would be best for cutting through an iron bar? A. Rip saw. B. Coping saw. C. Hacksaw. D. Miter saw. An 80-pound child is sitting on one end of a seesaw. If another 80-pound child jumps from a high platform onto the other end of the seesaw, what will happen? A. The first child will stay stationary on the ground. B. The second child will bounce off the seesaw into the air. C. The first child will bounce off the seesaw into the air. D. The first child will be lifted into the air, but remain seated. Which of the following statements are correct regarding a voltmeter? A. A voltmeter is used to measure current. B. A voltmeter is used in parallel to a circuit. C. A voltmeter must have the least resistance. D. All of the above.